The Clivia minata is a masochistic plant that likes to suffer before blooming. Pampered too much inside your apartment, it will not bloom again. The Clivia minata is native to South Africa. Don't look for other colors. The only flower stalk is always orange. It is a plant that strangely resembles the daisy. Well, yes, it is part of the same family. So you can find them in bloom at garden centers with horticulturists and at florists starting from January, February, March, depending on the forcing by the horticulturists. So, this plant, I used to cultivate it. It was a plant that I placed in a cold greenhouse as a horticulturist. When we talk about a cold greenhouse, it is an unheated greenhouse that is frost-free in the fall. And over time, with very little watering, there was a slight swelling at the base, and it was the future flower bud starting to swell. From this period, the clivia is exposed more to heat at the right time to make it bloom. This method can also be done at home. The clivia is a plant that enjoys north-facing rooms, a north window with light but without direct sunlight. Too much shade will cause the foliage to be rather yellow and the flowers to be rather faded. With maximum light, you will have very beautiful colors. The clivia, when in bloom, is watered once or twice a week depending on the room temperature. Above or below, count on about half a liter of water per week. The clivia, like all plants, or almost all plants, needs to be fertilized. But above all, do not give it fertilizer during its flowering period, as you risk burning the tips of the petals. You should wait until it has finished blooming to provide it with fertilizer for green plants. The clivia is capable of blooming for several weeks in an apartment, provided that the temperature does not exceed 18 degrees C. The warmer it is, the faster it will bloom. Therefore, you should especially cut the flower stalk as soon as the flowers have wilted, because if you leave the flowers, it will immediately produce seeds. Seeds that will mature after 10 months. But if you have seeds, it will not bloom again next year. Once you have cut the flower stalk, you will take your clivia outside as long as it no longer freezes. You can leave it on a terrace, on a balcony, or why not leave it in a room? So the most beautiful clivias are often found in butcher shops and delicatessens because there is a certain freshness inside. Otherwise, you take it outside on the terrace, always exposed and in partial shade, and you will start giving it fertilizer. A green plant fertilizer at first. You will leave it outside for the entire summer period, watering it normally once or twice a week. And then in autumn, you will greatly reduce the watering. You will leave it outside again so it can benefit from a certain freshness. By September, October, you will bring it inside and check the base to see if the bud is forming. In principle, they form starting from December, January. And from that period, you will give it water and fertilizer, but this time a flowering fertilizer.